Welcome to the Llandaff North official Christmas light switch on. Are you ready?
As traders, we always expect local people to come and use our facilities, but equally the local people need to see that we are putting something back into the community. So from a trader's point of view, it's important for us to put something like this on so we can say thank you for your support, but equally that we need more of your support and yeah, just continue with it basically.
Go wild for the one, the only, the sensational Shaheen Jafargholi! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn on the lights!
Make my wish